how to add Stripe to your GoDaddy website. So what we need to do is load up GoDaddy, click on your name in the top right corner, and then go into My Products. So here from the products page, we will go down to Websites plus Marketing, click on it to expand it, then find your website and plan, and then click on Manage next to it. Now from this page that loads here, we will focus on the left hand side. So we want to go to Store here and then go into Settings. So from the settings, we can see this Payments tab. So just click on Payments, and you will be able to see Stripe here. So we can accept PayPal, Stripe, and offline payments. But basically, it's going to look like this. And with Stripe, we can accept all major and debit cards. We can receive the funds in 2 to 3 days. Fully integrated fraud prevention tools, we get access to those, and fee of 50% plus 30 cents per online transaction. So if you want to add Stripe to your GoDaddy website, we'll just click on Connect here, and it's going to ask us to log in into GoDaddy. So here, if we log in with our email address, we can just click on Submit, and this will integrate Stripe with GoDaddy, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.